Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to actually do an indent inside of your cell. Basically, an indent is the space that you can find behind a word that pushes a word a little bit forward. So for example, if I write hi here, the indent should must be like something like that. So how we can actually do it? Well, there is multiple ways to do it as user of Excel. Basically, if you have the like a rectangle here that you can use it, but for me I don't have it, so I won't use it. Of course I can get it by like which is by like inserting it, which is the ruler, but I can't really have the access to it right now. So what I'm going to do now is pretty simple. So you can just go to home and type whatever thing you want to write. For example, for me, so here I will write names, and here, for example, I will write like these three over here. Now let me just remove the border, and here we go, and here total, so something around that. So basically, to make this look kind of better, we need to push these three names a little bit forward. So what I'm going to do is select these three names and click in here to increase the indent or decrease the indent. So let me just increase the indent. As you can see, it has been decreased. If I want to decrease it even more, I can just click it and keep pushing it till the middle. So for example, now if I want to decrease it, I can just go here and I can, for example, come here and start decreasing it. Of course, you can again select it and go here and start moving with this word if you want to change anything in here, to add border, to add font alignment or something like that, for example. Also you can add like for example, let's add here an indent, so let me add 10. So as you can see, I have added an indent through this option. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.